Okay, Wednesday, see, can't get my day straight. Author's purpose and point of view is the focus of this text and the questions that go with it. So author's purpose is the reason that an author writes the text. Since all authors have experiences or beliefs that influence the way they write, that's their point of view. Their experience or their beliefs is their point of view. So there are 4 main reasons why people write. It's to persuade, we're trying to convince you of something. To inform, just stating facts. To entertain, which is to make us laugh, cry, scream, or have fun. And yes, cry is in there. Entertain can be sad sometimes. To share a personal experience, memories, or any hopes or dreams that they have. So those are some clues. There are some clues that will help you determine which type of purpose the author is writing. So to persuade. So when an author is trying to persuade you, they're trying to get you to do something. They're trying to get you to think and believe what they are saying, or to try and change your mind. Maybe to buy a certain product or join a club, or know what someone else is feeling. So types of persuasive writing would be letters, speeches, advertisements, and editorials. So when authors write to inform, they're just giving facts about a subject. There's no opinionated statements, only facts. No implied suggestion. You're just learning something. Types of informative writing would be newspapers, encyclopedias, dictionaries, and pamphlets. Entertain. When they're writing to entertain, they just want us to enjoy the writing. Sometimes they make us laugh with a funny story. Sometimes they make us cry with a sad story or poem, or scream because of a scary experience of one of the characters. With this purpose, authors just want us to enjoy and have fun reading. When authors write to share a personal experience, they are sharing their memories, hopes, or dreams. Some key signs that they are writing to share a personal experience is the story is usually about the author or some other personal story. The writer shares his full opinion, or the story is written in first person using the pronouns I, me, or us. Letters, diaries, personal essays, or articles are examples of personal experience. So the point of view of the author gives us the personal judgments, beliefs, attitudes towards a certain subject. They are choice of words, descriptions, character actions, sometimes what they leave out, the choice of details they want to include kind of reveal to us how they feel or their point of view on a topic. So understanding the author's point of view helps us to determine where the author is coming from and whether or not we should consider what the author has to say. You have to read the entire article to determine the author's purpose. Sometimes an author may have more than one purpose. So for today, you're going to read Beware of the Endangered Tree Octopus. And then you're going to answer some questions. You have some multiple choice on this one. Make sure you follow the directions. For a couple, you have to choose more than one. And then a couple short answer again. Restate, answer the question, cite your evidence, and then we will work on something else for tomorrow.